You're watching Reality Check. The escalating controversy over whether Mamta Banerjee was injured in an attack during her election campaign in Nandigram, her constituency. Yesterday, this video went viral of Mamta in the front seat of her vehicle, where she said 4 to 5 men attacked her, injuring her leg, and that there was no security to protect her. Let's listen.
एक भी पुलिस नहीं था। हमारा पुलिस
दीदी पाए चोटटा किभाবে লাগলো?
4-5 आदमी ने मैं गाड़ी का इधर में खड़ा होकर रोक कर रहा था। 4-5 आदमी ने मेरे को गाड़ी पूरा बंद कर दिया और पाँव हमको पूरा चोट हो गया। देखो कितना पुल।
कहाँ आपको चोट लगी है दीदी?
पूरा पुल गया।
Okay.
Now there does appear to be an injury. The hospital where she's been admitted said she has a bone injury.
Her left ankle is presently under plaster casing due to bony injury. Her health condition is still stable, but the pain in left foot persisting.
The BJP, however, has called this a drama. Now, available video evidence doesn't seem to support either claim. This particular video that you're seeing on your screen, which is apparently streamed on Facebook by a bystander, supposedly shortly before this incident, is inconclusive. It appears to show crowds surrounding the Chief Minister's vehicle as she sits on the front seat and then stands on the footboard to acknowledge the crowd. As the vehicle passes through the crowds, her security forces can be seen trying to keep the crowds at bay. So I was just staying with that video for a second. What it does show is Mamta Banerjee hemmed in by crowds as she's moving with an open door. But it's not clear, at least this video doesn't capture whether that's the point at which later on the crowds pushed in and the door crushed her foot, or was it deliberate, is not clear. Now, eyewitness versions of what happened next vary based on political affiliation. A Trinamool supporter who claims he was present at the spot told NDTV that he says BJP supporters were present in the crowd who triggered a mini stampede.
সম্ভব নয়। দেখুন তো এত ভিড় ছিল, তো কে কাকে যে ঠেলছে তার মধ্যে আমাদের কেন মনে হয়েছে কয়েকজন বিরোধী দলের এখানে ছিল উপস্থিত, সেই থেকে আমরা এটা সন্দেহ করেছি। ঠিক আছে, তো আমরা ওই ঘটনার ভিড়ের মধ্যে আমাদেরও এমনকি ধাক্কা দেওয়া হয়েছিল।
But another eyewitness, a BJP supporter, claims it was nothing more than an accident.
উনি দরজা খুলেছে, উনি বেরিয়েছেন, এটা ধাক্কা নয়, ওনার গাড়িতে উঠতে গিয়ে যদি লেগে থাকে সেটা আংশিক লেগেছে, বাকিটার কোনো ভিত্তি নেই বলে আমি মনে করি।
Now, Mamta Banerjee herself released a video from her hospital bed showing her heavily bandaged foot. And in that video, she seems to have somewhat altered her version of events, saying that a crowd rushed towards her vehicle, leading to her foot getting crushed.
বনেটের উপরে আমি দাঁড়িয়ে নমস্কার করছিলাম, ন্যাচারালি তখন এমন জোরে চাপ আসে যে তাতে আমার পুরো গাড়িটা চেপে যায় আমার পায়ের মধ্যে।
But a party appears to indicate that they do have proof of an attack on her. The Trinamool Congress displayed the vehicle Mamta Banerjee was travelling in to debunk claims of the BJP that the CM's injury was because the car door hit a pole which was planted on the road. The Trinamool pointing out that the car bore no damage indicate that it did not hit any pole.
Got out of the car, her right foot was inside, her left foot was outside, standing like this. Suddenly, 4-5 people forcibly closed the door, and that's when she got badly hurt. It has some allegations have been made that there was iron rods on the road, due to which the car door closed. You look at the door. This is the door. There is not even a scratch mark. Correct. If the door had hit some iron post or rod on the road, then there would be vertical scratch marks over here.
Both the TMC and the BJP met the Election Commission today to demand a probe, both expecting different outcomes. The TMC asking for the probe to look into why there was a security lapse, was security deliberately withdrawn from her. The BJP presumably to establish their claim that the West Bengal Chief Minister had simply invented the attack. All right, before we go to panel, I spoke earlier to Dilip Ghosh, who's the president of the West Bengal BJP, to understand from him why the BJP was so skeptical. ममता बनर्जी का अब तो अस्पताल से तस्वीर भी आ गया, उसका लेग आप देख रहे हैं कास्ट में है, डॉक्टर बोल रहा है उसको इंजरी हुआ है, लेकिन तब भी बीजेपी उस पर सवाल क्यों उठा रहा है? आप कह रहे हैं ये ड्रामा है।
सवाल इसलिए कि चोट तो किसी को लग सकता है। कोई बोलता है कि वो बोनेट पर बैठी थी, कोई बोलता है कि दरवाजा खोल के गाड़ी जा रही थी, किसी पोस्ट में टकरा गया, उनको चोट लगा। ये दुखजनक है और चोट लगा तो उसकी ट्रीटमेंट होनी चाहिए और उसके लिए यहाँ आने की जरूरत नहीं, वहाँ भी हो सकता था। सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल है, लेकिन ठीक है, चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, उन पर ध्यान देना चाहिए। लेकिन बयान आया कि उन पर हमला हुआ है, खुद बोली 4-5 लोग आए, हमको धक्का मारा है, जबकि उनके पार्टी के लोग सब थे, उनके साथ मिल रही थी, नमस्ते कर रही थी, उनको चोट लगी है। अब ये मेडिकल रिपोर्ट भी आ रही है, उनके नेता भी बोल रहे हैं, वो खुद बोल रही कि
नहीं, वो कह रही है,
तो पूरा बंगाल में हंगामा खड़ा कर दिया।
वो कह रहे हैं कि जैसे ही ये डीजीपी का बदली हुआ और जैसे ही इलेक्शन कमीशन ने उसको बदल दिया, उसके बाद उसके आसपास कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं रहा और इसके दौरान अटैक हो गया।
नहीं, किसी की सिक्योरिटी के लिए डीजीपी की जरूरत है क्या? यहाँ हमारे भी कई लोगों को सिक्योरिटी दिया हुआ, सेंट्रल फोर्स उनकी सिक्योरिटी करती है। उनके सैकड़ों लोग, नेता जमीन से लेकर ऊपर तक सैकड़ों लोगों के घर में सिक्योरिटी है, पास में भी सिक्योरिटी सेंट्रल स्टेट पुलिस की है। तो वो चीफ मिनिस्टर थी, आज नॉमिनेशन कर दी है, तो एक कैंडिडेट है, इसलिए उनको जो देना था वही दे रहा है सरकार। लेकिन Z+ है तो इसलिए हमला हो गया है और पूरा हंगामा खड़ा करके भाजपा का ऑफिस में अटैक कर देना, भाजपा को गाली देना, उसमें भाजपा कहां से आ गई है?
भाजपा का इसमें कोई
इलेक्शन कमीशन को इनडायरेक्टली केंद्र सरकार को
तो जो तृणमूल कह रही है कि उनपे अटैक, मतलब इशारा तो भाजपा की तरफ ही है। भाजपा का इस अटैक या इस एलिजेड अटैक में कोई लेना देना नहीं है, आप कह रहे हैं?
ना, हम क्यों जाएंगे वहां, हमें क्या जरूरत है? वो वहां हारने वाली है, इसलिए बहाना मांग रही है, ये सब नाटक कर रही हैं। वो रैली में है, उनके लोग साथ में है, Z+ कैटेगरी की उनकी सिक्योरिटी है, वहां भाजपा कैसे जाएगी? अब क्यों जाएगी भाजपा? और हमला कहां से हुई है? कहीं अगर टकरा गया गाड़ी तो उसमें हमारा क्या कसूर है? उसको पॉलिटिकल करके रंग दे करके हंगामा खड़ा करके
दिलीप जी
में और अस्त कर देना।
आप कह रहे हैं कि आप कल, अच्छा आज आपने उसको कहा कि ये नाटक कर रही है, लेकिन जब नड्डा जी आपके जो प्रेसिडेंट हैं, जब उनके ऊपर एलिजेड हमला हुआ तो उस वक्त तो आपने कहा कि हाँ वो जेन्युइन अटैक था, और उस वक्त तृणमूल ने भी यही कहा कि ये तो सब नाटक है। तो जब आप पे होता है जेन्युइन हो जाता है, जब दूसरे पे होता है तो नाटक।
गाड़ी के अंदर था। नहीं, देखिए उनके ऊपर क्या हुआ है कोई देखा है क्या? कोई एविडेंस है क्या? मीडिया रहता है साथ में।
नहीं, नड्डा जी पे जो हुआ, नड्डा जी पे हुआ,
उसी पर लोग बर्बाद कर सकते।
नहीं, बट नड्डा जी पे हुआ तो
हाँ, मैं बता रहा हूं,
तृणमूल का भी रिएक्शन सेम था।
जो हुआ है, सुनिए, नड्डा जी के ऊपर जो हुआ है वो कैमरे के सामने सारेआम चौराहे पर हुआ है। 1-2 लोग नहीं, हजारों लोग रास्ते में मंच बना करके वहां उनके डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट भाषण दे रहा था, MLA, उनके एक और मंत्री गियासुद्दीन मुल्ला, वो लोगों को लेकर प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे रास्ता में, और सारे ईंटा पत्थर मारा। वो मीडिया के सामने है, कैमरा के सामने, सारा दुनिया देखा, हमें बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, कैमरा बोल रही है।
ओके,
लेकिन कल जो हुआ है, बोलिए
दिलीप जी, द फैक्ट इज कि चलिए मान लीजिए जो भी वजह होगी कि ममता जी को चोट पहुंची है, एटलीस्ट एज ए सीनियर लीडर, एक चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, कोई रिस्पॉन्स बीजेपी की तरफ से जो भाई उनको विश करे कि उनको उनका इंजरी हुआ है, उनको कुछ वो एक्सप्रेस करे, तो ना पीएम ने कुछ कहा है, अमित शाह ने कुछ कहा है। ही इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, अमित शाह जी होम मिनिस्टर हैं, शी इज स्टिल द चीफ मिनिस्टर, इलेक्टेड चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट। तो इतना जेस्चर, एक कर्टेसी तो हो सकता था।
देखिए, ममता बनर्जी को सब लोग नस नस जानते हैं। शायद आप लोग पहली बार आ रहे हैं बंगाल में, देख रहे हैं, हम लोग झेल चुके हैं 10 साल 15 साल से। बंगाल के एक बच्चा भी जानता है उनकी एटीट्यूड को, क्या करती है क्या बोलती है। सुबह शाम बयान बदल जाता है। वहां कोई समझदार आदमी कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं देगा। और एक मैं नहीं, यहाँ के जितने विपक्ष के दल हैं उनके नेता क्या बोल रहे सुनिए, बंगाल के लोगों को पूछिए क्या है। ग्राउंड जीरो से जो रिपोर्टिंग हो रहा है वो देखिए। वहाँ खंबा गड़ा हुआ है, गाड़ी टकराई है, बगल वाला
नहीं,
दुकान से
लेकिन
बर्फ
चोट-
ला के पैर में लगाया।
मैं कह रहा हूँ चोट कोई भी, चोट की वजह कुछ भी हो सकती है। ममता बनर्जी आप कह रहे हैं इज नॉट रिलायबल,
पहले ही बात को लेकर आई है। नहीं, जो ना रिलायबल तो है ही नहीं, ये तो पता चल जाएगा चुनाव में। लेकिन जो एक इतने बड़े स्तर के व्यक्ति इस प्रकार छोटी ऊंचे राजनीति करते हैं, उसमें कौन स्टेटमेंट देगा? बंगाल के लोग हंस रहे हैं इस पर।
बट एक
कोई
चीज
बोला
है,
कि
लेकिन
दाहिने पैर में चोट लगा तो बाएं में बैंडेज क्यों लगा है? एक डॉक्टर बोलता है, क्यों बोलते हैं इस पर?
दिलीप जी,
ये सम्मानजनक है क्या?
दिलीप जी, बट एक तो आप मानेंगे कि आप कह रहे हैं आप वहां क्यों जाएंगे, ये सब फैक्ट इज कि वायलेंस का जो कल्चर है हम देख रहे हैं कि सारे पार्टीज में है वेस्ट बंगाल में, और बयानबाजी भी। आपने खुद आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर एंड ऑफ द ईयर अक्टूबर नवंबर में ही तो आप ही ने तो कहा कि अगर तृणमूल के जो लोग हैं अगर वो 6 महीने में ठीक नहीं कर देते तो हम उनका टांग, हड्डी, लेग्स, रिब्स, हेड्स विल बी ब्रोकन। आपको पहले अस्पताल जाना पड़ेगा घर जाने से पहले।
जो हमारे ऊपर बार बार आक्रमण करते हैं और पुलिस थाने में एक रिपोर्ट तो नहीं लेते हैं, एक इंक्वायरी नहीं होती। 136 लोगों की हत्या हुई है, लोकसभा के समय भी खून हुआ है, लोग आज भी हो रहे हैं। तो जहां कानून व्यवस्था कुछ नहीं, हमारा हमको रक्षा करने का हमारी अधिकार है, प्रतिरोध करने की। हम वही बात बोले, सारे आम बोले, कोई छुप के नहीं बोलते हैं। और हम झेल चुके हैं, 10 बार हमारी गाड़ी तोड़ी गई है, हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी का ऊपर सारे हम।
अच्छा, तो आप कह रहे हैं कि
तो कहाँ कानून
वायलेंस का जवाब वायलेंस
हमारी बात पर आ रही है।
लास्ट सवाल आपसे कि क्या आप नर्वस हैं कि इससे ममता को फायदा होगा? आप लोग ईसी जा रहे हैं, इधर उधर जा रहे हैं, क्या बीजेपी नर्वस है कि इससे ममता को सिंपैथी मिलेगा?
वो तो एटीट्यूड से पता चलता है ना, कौन नर्वस है, कौन नहीं है, कौन ड्रामा कर रहा है। क्यों हॉस्पिटल का बेड से स्टेटमेंट देना पड़ रहा है? क्यों बेड का फोटो दिखाना पड़ रहा है? बहुत नेता बीमार होते हैं, उनका मेडिकल स्टेटमेंट आता है, डॉक्टर हैं, नेता है, उनको क्यों बार बार दिखाना? आप देखिए किसी भी चैनल में बेड से सो करके स्टेटमेंट दे रहे हैं, तो क्या करने चाह रहे हैं? इस प्रकार सिंपैथी नहीं होता है। 10 साल मौका मिला, कुछ नहीं कर पाए हैं, अब लोग उसका जवाब देंगे। ढोंग करने से कुछ नहीं होता।
ओके, दिलीप घोष जी, थैंक यू, आपने हमारे साथ बात किया, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
धन्यवाद।
All right, let's go across to panel. We've got with us Neerja Chaudhary, senior journalist, is with us. Chandan Mitra, senior journalist and also leader of the TMC. Chandra Kumar Bose, former vice president, senior leader of the BJP in West Bengal, is with us. Shuddho Banerjee, spokesperson of the Congress, and Riju Datta, member of the TMC. Let me just start by asking you, Chandan Mitra, that from the time yesterday when she said that she was almost sort of attacked by these men and they tried to crush her push, today she was trying to indicate it was the crowds, no conclusive evidence, suggesting there's an attack. Very unfortunate that she's injured, but is there any evidence to suggest an attack, or is this, as the BJP is saying, an attempt by Mamta to play the sympathy card and do drama?
Well, you see, since I was not at the spot, it is very difficult to verify as to whether she was pushed and was kind of fell to the ground in that sense, or it was a normal incident, and like a usual crowd in a temple. While coming out, what we saw on TV was that she was coming out, and in the process she fell down. Now, you see, that's also quite a natural possibility. So I don't think that any of these things can be ruled out.
No, but your party, then the Trinamool Congress is taking a different line, though. Trinamool Congress is clearly saying this was an attack. This was an attack. No, Riju Datta? Riju Datta?
Look, 1 minute, let me clarify. I want to...
Yes, Chandan, go ahead.
I want to clarify that it will be impossible to exactly ascertain what exactly happened.
No,
And that's a further proper...
No, Chandan, that's a sensible position to take, but unfortunately that's not the position that the Trinamool is taking, Riju Datta. You are saying it was a premeditated attack on her. Where's the proof?
Sir, first of all, I don't want to tell you, Mr. Jain, that, the statement, the tweet of the state president of the BJP and the statement of the youth president of BJP. By the way, they are both sitting MPs.
Yes.
And the occurrence of the events that happened after they have made these statements and tweets, it clearly indicates that it's a part of a larger and a much deep-rooted conspiracy.
No, what was the tweet? What was the statement? Sorry, because
See, I'll tell you. Dilip Ghosh made a tweet. It's like a caricature that Mamata Banerjee falling in Nandigram. Right after that, BJP writes to the election commissioner stating that the police is conversing for Mamata Banerjee, so remove all the police. Then the DGP gets transferred. Then Soumitra puts us. Let me finish.
That is still not germane to the allegation that she was attacked. Where is the evidence of that?
Let me just give me just 10 seconds. And then Soumitra Khan categorically states, we see what happened on 10th after 5 p.m. And this attack took place at 6 p.m. You know, we all know, and all the senior journalists are here, the history of Mamata Banerjee.
No, 1 second. Now, Riju Datta,
simple logic.
We're not on history.
Simple logic.
She was pushed.
I'm saying the simple logic dictates.
No, Riju Datta, that is the history of Mamata Banerjee, the present and the future is not relevant.
Not have happened.
1 second, Chandan, hold on, not all at the same time. The fact is that if you look at the available videos, you look at the pictures, you talk to the eyewitnesses, nothing seems to suggest that there was an attack. Maybe there is some evidence that may emerge. As such, at least we haven't come across it. But at the same time, would you say Chandra Bose that, you know, in a situation like this, that you heard me ask Dilip Ghosh, he said, oh, you know, Mamata Banerjee does drama, we all know, so there's no question of the Prime Minister or anybody expressing any concern statement. Is that unfortunate? I mean, she is the Chief Minister who's lying in a hospital bed in the middle of a campaign with a foot injury.
I wish the Honourable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee a speedy recovery.
Because in the middle of a campaign.
No, 1 second. Chandan, no. This is to Chandra Bose. This is to Chandra Bose. Sorry, Chandan, just a second. I'm coming back to you. Yes, go ahead, Chandra Bose.
She is the Chief Minister of West Bengal. She is all our Chief Minister. I wish her well. I contested Mamata Banerjee as a political opponent in 2016 assembly polls from Bhawanipur. But I certainly don't wish what happened to her yesterday. Now, the issue is whether it was a drama, whether she was attacked. This can only be decided only if a thorough investigation is conducted.
Yeah.
Till now, we have not got any clear picture from the police or the investigative agencies as to what exactly happened there.
But your party has jumped the gun even before the investigation, and we've just heard your own party president saying it's a drama. So
now,
both sides, if the other side, if the Trinamool has jumped the gun saying it's an attack, the BJP has also jumped the gun and said it's a drama. But
let me finish. I have a different logical approach. I don't want to really get into what my party president said.
Fair enough.
But I wish to state
that
there is a 3-tier, security ring.
Yes.
How did these people, whoever they were, whether they were Trinamool Congress, whether they were BJP or Left Front, how did they approach the Chief Minister when she was getting into her vehicle?
In election time, let me go to, fair enough, let me go to Neerja Chaudhary.
It happened inside a mandir.
Let me go to Neerja Chaudhary.
And there's usually no bar on people entering the mandir at a time of prayer. So I don't think that you can really
Neerja Chaudhary, Chandan, I'll come to you.
And kind of
Neerja Chaudhary,
she's got Z plus security.
What do you make of the? Just a second, 1 second. Hold on, one at a time. Neerja Chaudhary, what do you make of all this? Because as the BJP president said, there is a tradition Mamata has of doing theatrics and all of that. But the fact also is that she's a street fighter. She has been attacked in the past. There are images going viral on social media of how she was attacked during the left rule. Overall, how is this going to play, you think?
I think, Vasu, point number one, none of us are in a position to ascertain what really happened. Only a probe will do that. whether it is an accident and an injury, some injury is taken place, or it was, deliberately done. So the point is the question is what you are asking. Is it going to create the sympathy for her at this particular juncture during the campaign that she hopes it will?
Yeah.
Now, Mamata Banerjee will use everything that comes her way in her political fight. You should expect it from her, because she is facing the biggest battle of her life, and she has fought no smaller battle in the past. She's replaced the Congress party in West Bengal and become the real Congress there. She ousted a left regime which was entrenched there for 34 long years. She's had no mentor. She doesn't come from a political family, and yet she is where she is today. And yet she's facing a huge challenge from the Bharatiya Janata Party today. And BJP is not like a Congress. It's the biggest political machinery in the world today. Therefore, if whatever sympathy, whatever comes her way,
she will run with it.
She will put it
to
good use. The question is, how is it being taken by the people of Bengal?
That's something which, we'll have to see. Shuddho Banerjee of the Congress seems to be perhaps the most confused in all this. You have leaders like Amarinder Singh, Punjab Chief Minister, expressing his sympathy. You have Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary on the other hand saying this is all drama and essentially attacking Mamata Banerjee.
No, let me clear it. That first we wish her speedy recovery and she should be back in action as soon as possible. Whatever President has really doubted, that is the conspiracy theory what she launched yesterday. There is no doubt she has injured. But the main thing with the need of the hour is the reality check. 24 hours of her. But no authority has come out with the clarification if it was an accident or at all. So what is happening? This delay is letting these two political parties, BJP and TMC, to spread a very, very violent.
But that is not the position taken by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. He is not saying let's wait for a response. He is already saying that she is doing drama.
What he told that when she had Z+ category security, how it is possible that no local police were there? All those things what Mamata Banerjee has said yesterday, it was a conspiracy. I have seen these 4 or 5 persons are doing. Our president has doubted this only, and this is quite natural. So far, nobody has come out with the clarity, and EC must probe it and come out with an answer as soon as possible before the violence spreads.
Well, I personally, I hope there's clarity. Personally, I don't think there'll ever be 100% clarity on this. It was a crowd situation, push and pull. Were there cameras filming the exact moment when a foot got crushed? If there are, fantastic, we'll have an answer. Otherwise, I suspect it
that answer should come.
Lost in the fog of political claims and counterclaims. Anyway, we're completely out of time. Thank you all so much for joining us on Reality Check. Thank you so much for watching. Good night.